You can never take a life from whom you never give a life to, except Hachi has consented to that. My name is Grace, and I represent Grace.
Wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked.
My wife's food is called eat and forget your worries. Eat and forget your sorrow.
And then we'll go into the kitchen and make food. Mama, you and I know now. You know I can't do anything in the kitchen aside cooking water. And you cook water can boil water.
I want you to make him happy. Put a smile on his face, just as you have put a smile on my face.
Do you know how to cook egusi soup?
Number one, madam. You buy one penta of egusi. You cook it with 2 cups of water.
You added what?
Same sugar. I added sugar, but I think I added too much this time.
Sugar, we're calling no sugar, shane, egusi.
My beloved wife never returned. She never came back.
Any man that came for her will always end up wanting to be with you. And when you battle it over with her, you always win.
Keka, that girl has used her witchcraft that she inherited from her mother to divert my man, Mama, my soul, my energy, my everything to herself. She must pay, Mama. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe sometime in the future.
I saw Jamal's mother, my son's mother. I saw her inside of you.